Hey there, Wall Street winners. This short video is to talk about making money in the pre-market. And it is May 7th, and I'm going to use Humana as an example, but there are many of these to be on the lookout for. It's not difficult to wake up early and at 7 or 8 a.m. put in a pre-market order for something that is well below the closing price of that stock. And what can happen is those orders can get filled pre-market at a significant discount, and then when they open, that discount doesn't carry forward. So not necessarily around earnings times, but in non-earnings times for a given stock, it's possible that some people have put in orders to sell at market after close, and you're able to somewhat make the market in after hours trading, especially if there isn't a lot of volume. So if you look at what is up for sale and you put in an order, take an educated guess. In this case, it was about $5 below what it had closed at in the pre-market. You could have picked up, as somebody has here, some Humana at 314. And then when the market opened at 9:30, this stock opened around 320. So you're looking at a nice $6, maybe more, if depending on how long you held it for. But let's say a $6 gain as you went into the open without really doing anything. So you're putting in a lowball offer, hoping that someone will have a market offer in there that will trigger, and you'll get that at a discount, and then you can sell at the open. Great strategy to consider depending on the stocks you're looking at and the volatility of those stocks. Hit the like button.